This conference will now be recorded.
Hi Ojisha, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
So is that working? Yesterday's whatever I've done the configuration part.
Yes, sir.
Fine. good evening. We were discussed yesterday about vulnerability analysis. In the part of vulnerability analysis, we have listed some of the vulnerability scanner softwares like Nessus, then GFI, LANguard, Palace Guard, then Nexpose, then OpenVAS. So these are the few examples to understand some of the software to run vulnerability scanning. So we'll try one of the tool like Nessus. Okay, you can try. We have earlier we used to have a very small piece of software it was, but nowadays which is asking license key, trial period license key also. So visit your google.com and you type Nessus and the very first one tenable.com. If whenever you click here, then which will take you to the next one web page, the tenable.com home page itself. Then here you have some options like you can download this. It is the first tool in your cybersecurity toolbox because you have to run the vulnerabilities analysis. So before that, you have to register yourself, like try that enable Nessus for the free, okay, and asking for trial license. Please, why we have to register? Because to get that license, trial license, and also we have email communications regarding for its product and services. And if you registered yourself, then you can get the details. So click start, get started. So saying that it's a work email ID address. So please use your work email ID address. So your personal email ID is not going to be applicable because it's asking for organization. So if you have any organization's email, just you try to download this. So I'll try to take with the tempmail.com. So still I don't know if it's going to be working or not. So just I'm copying this and visit this area and asking some phone number. So title, then get start trial. So thanks for to start your trial. So what you have to do, just download, and this is the page. Check out your platform. Which platform are you using? This is 101 MB. This is going to support for Windows 10, Windows 11, Server 2016, any Windows platform, and select the versions what you were looking for. This is the latest one, and you click download. Click I agree. Then you try to install it. Click next. Click I agree. Click next. Then install. Say yes. So click finish. So just it is one of the tool, and check out here what you are running here. So local host and port number so and so on, and asking for welcome to Nessus install welcome, and connect via SSL if you like, because it has to ask in that SSL itself, and continue with the proceed localhost with unsafe, and it's initializing the parameters. Okay, so let it be initializing because it's taking a little bit of time. So check out in your ethical hacking folder. Might be you will be having Windows 10 or Windows 7. Any one of the operating system ISO file available or not, you check once. If not available, you please let me know. Or if it is available, just make use of this. So what I am going to do is, so take Windows image file, paste it. Okay, next again come back and register with offline and continue. Now let it be with the Nessus with expert. Now this is asking for license key. So take offline registration. This is the challenge code. Okay, it's not supporting. So you can find your activation key in the same area. You have to register your product. First you start sign in. Just I'm trying here. Saying that wrong password. Okay. Create and reset the password. Send a mail and wait for password reset. Reset password. So take new password. Click continue and asking at least 12 characters length. Okay. NICT computer underscore 12345. Again NICT computer underscore 12345. Click continue. Now password is been configured. Then you sign in. Enter your email ID. NICT computer underscore 12345. Click login. So save it. Verify its user. Okay. So saying that you don't have permission to access the application. So primary contact your customer service. Okay. NICT. Okay. So I got it now. Go with the trials. So this is your activation key. Nessus expert. Do copy. Where is this? Paste it here. Continue. And asking username Shanthamallesh. Password NICT computer underscore 12345. So click submit. Okay, it has to match. So create an administrator user account. Okay, admin only you type. Administrator. It's not allowing us. Okay, I'll try to use my login ID and same password. It's also not. So what I'm using here, temporary mail ID I'm using. So that's why I'm getting error here. So connect your enable. Mm, Okay, other side you check Windows 10 is get copied. So parallelly you open VMware workstation and try to install VMware here itself. That I will tell you why I am installing here. So take a new virtual machine, then select typical and browse for the image folder what you have copied here. Go to documents, Windows 10, select your ISO image file. So look at this, it is detected. Click next and use single file. Let it be 45 GB. Click next and make ensure that network adapter is to be in the bridged adapter or VMnet only. So as of now I'm taking that as a bridged adapter. Click close and click finish. Now it start creating virtual disk. Headphone one ನಿಮಿಷ. ಅಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು. So system is not taking from the CD drive. So what you do is power off, edit virtual machine settings, check CD and DVD, run. So now it started. So now the installation is started. So this is the first screen of Windows 10 installation. So click next, click install now. And select this. I don't have any product key and choose this professional version. Then click next and accept the license agreement term. Click next and select the option for custom install Windows only. This is a 45 GB hard disk space. Click new and apply. Say OK and partition is that created and select 44.9 GB. Click install or next. Now there are 5 stages to install operating system. So once that 5 stages gets completed, that installation will get over. Then your Windows 10 machine is ready to work, just like Kali. So in the middle of this area, sometimes system automatically that would get restart. If that restart also, need not to worry. So it start that installation like which will continue where that stopped, or it is resumes that to be completed 100%. So here for me, I have used some personal mail ID. For me, it is not happening here to get this username and password. But mail. So activation is failed. So community user account. So let's check. Am I having community? Yes. Next. Next. Saying that invalid username. So let's have a try. So Nessus expert. So I'm using the same mail ID. So again, I'm not going to take this. Then what you have to do is name is Nessus expert. Try once. see once. So previous also not working here. So earlier it was not asking, but this time is asking here. Because it's asking for the working company's email ID. Activation key. Supported. Mhm. So try to register here itself. What's your ID you have? What system is given the ID? Go to home. So ID is nothing. Account details. First name, last name, email ID, company NICT. Then enter customer ID. My customer ID is not given. Then role as consultant. So numerical. So still I did not get. Mm. Okay, so you also try if that working, you continue with this username and password. If everything is that works fine. So for me, it is stucking here itself. Cannot able to create my username because it's asking for license and other set of parameters. Mm. That's not cracking also. Okay, come back to your Windows 10. Continue yes. Again yes. Skip. So why I'm using this Windows 10 is to implement some of the viruses. Okay, just you imagine this is our Kali, this is your Metasploit, and this is your Windows 10. So using this Windows 10 operating system, I have to run what is that viruses. Okay, make you to experience of virus, how is going to work, what is malware. Okay, then how does it help us to hack the machine? That and all we will try to understand. But we will try to make some small program how to create a virus. Okay, then worms. That and all we'll discuss later once it is installed Windows 10. Then after the installation, what you have to do is you have to create a instance, means take a backup. So to take a backup in this virtual machine, I will be using snapshot or snapshot. So snapshot is going to work as a backup. Okay, you have to create a snapshot after the installation. Then if that corrupted with any virus and destructed, then you take a old snapshot and restore it back, same as like original. Because of that reason, you have to take a snapshot or backup in this virtual workstation area. Now this is most of the things is over. Now system is restarted. So continue, set up your personal use, click next. Then I'll go for offline account, then limited experience, then take username this as an admin, click next. Asking for password, even if you did not put password also no problem, or if you want password and you type admin, but right now I'm not going to issue any password. So click next. Click not now, then again click accept. Then you skip off. Now 98%, 99% is over. Only 1% it has to create user folders and session has to run. So now this Windows 10 machine is ready. So what you have to do, click close as of now. Take the personal settings, screen, resolution. Then change the resolution area. And still I can have an internet connections on this virtual machine. Okay, because I connected with the bridged adapter here that I can show you here. Network adapter of this virtual machine, Windows 10 virtual machine, bridged adapter. Make this full screen. Then open Google Chrome. So now what I want is want to have a Google Chrome on this. So type Google Chrome. 1 minute. Then download. Then click download. So now it is downloaded. Open this machine. Double click. Say yes. So your virtual machine Windows 10 is connected with internet, and through the internet I am installing Google Chrome. So before you take a snapshot of this area, you make certain changes here itself, like changing your computer name, so on so on. If that completed, then you click close. So resume this installation. Then go to right click on this PC, choose the properties. Then in this property, rename this PC. Right now the PC name is desktop, so on so on. So here you take Windows 10 itself, Win 10, click next, then restart later, close this, and identify this. Set your default browser. Okay, name this as Google Chrome itself. So switch to your Google Chrome. Got it. Now system is installed Windows 10 and also rename that as a Windows 10. So now you restart this machine. After the restart, once you check the PC name, so computer name is username is admin. Okay, now the time is to take a snapshot. So how do I take a snapshot of this? So very simple, go to VM and take snapshot. So here name this as Windows 10 backup 1, fresh copy. Then click take a snapshot. So saying that there is no disk space to save the virtual machine. Okay, wait a minute. So I'll check what is the status of this. So now you check the system is going to take snapshot or not. uh, VM snapshot, take snapshot, Windows 10, copy, take a snapshot. Now system has created one backup. Okay, so just imagine I wanted to verify this machine is going to perform restoring or not. So what I will do, go to the control panel and take what I will do is I will be uninstall, say yes. So look at this, this is got uninstalled. Now if I shut down this PC, we made lot of changes, means uninstalled the software. Okay, and now I wanted to revert it back. Okay, so how do I revert it? Go to snapshot and revert to Windows 10 fresh copy. Okay, so let it be revert to Windows 10 and say yes. Look at this, restoring this snapshot, the current state will be lost. Say yes. So anything it's affected with virus, then you can restore it, the original copy what you have. Hope you all understood. So how to install Windows 10, how to take a fresh copy like snapshot, and how to download NSS. Okay, but if you have an organization email ID, then you can get this downloadable copy, and also you can install it. So if everything is understood, you type as yes. So before I proceed the next topic like malware. So use your chat box and you type as yes if that understood. Priyanka, Nakshatra, Yukta, Netravati, Kartika, Vijesha, Aditya, Arti. Okay, so take 10 minutes of time. Open your resources folder and make ensure that Windows 10 uh, ISO image file is available or not. And you also follow the same steps, whatever I have done, and try to install it. And let me know that the status, will you be able to perform or not. Kartika, consecutively you have missed more than 4 classes.
Sir?
Consecutively, you have missed more than 3 to 4 classes, ma.
No, sir. Two of them I have missed because of out of station. Rest all I've attended.
What are the days you have attended? 13th are you attended and 14th are you attended?
I think, sir, last week, Wednesday and Thursday only, I have not attended.
Like 18th and 20th.
Yes, sir.
But rest of the class you've been attended, right?
Yes, sir.
Yukta, you also not attended on 18th and 20th. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Rida,
Yes, sir.
uh, last class you not attended, right?
Yes, sir. Only on 20th. Other classes I have attended.
Yes, yes. Okay, so take a resource folder, make ensure how many of you are using computer system and identify, browse the folder, could be able to identify Windows 10 ISO image file and open virtual VMware workstation and take a new workstation or new virtual machine and map that ISO image file into your workstation like VMware workstation and you try to install it. So let it be installed. So it takes minimum 20 15 to 20 minutes. Do not disturb. Okay, so will you able to succeed in this task or not? You try to let me know in this chat box. So I'll give 5 to 10 minutes of time. So if you are able to succeed, then no problem. Then try to take a snapshot. Okay. So I'll give a 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes of time. So will you able to perform yourself in your computer systems or in your laptop. So please let me know. Or if you're not able to identify the exact area, then just you let me know, then I can take your call and I'll try to solve the problem. Because you have to implement, you have to write some small queries script to create a virus. Okay, and you make experience how does it affect for your computer systems. So we'll try to implement on this virtual machine. So keep that ready. Within 10 minutes I will come back. So how many of you have tried? Ujesha, Priyanka, Nakshatra, Zaya, Saida. What was the status? So I'm giving this, it is an introduction part for malware threat. So I'll try to focus only with the introduction part. Later on, I'll try to give some coding system. So for next class, I would request you to use your computer system, and whatever I'm going to type the script for viruses, and you try to implement in the same virtual machine Windows 10, and try to implement the same thing, and you get me the result. So if that working also no problem, and if that not working, then I will assist you in the direct class itself. Okay, so I would request you to keep that Windows 10 machine availability for next class. So malware threat. Malware means malicious software. Malicious software is called as malware. So malware is a type of program that combines malicious code with a genuine application. Okay, any genuine applications if you have, so the people will try to combine the malicious code to get or to take the advantages. So when you have malicious code in the application area, then it will become a vulnerability. So, what is the use of malicious code with the genuine applications to perform unauthorized operations, such as what I can say, it's a lead you to take control of your computer system, or that can cause a damage. This is called as a malware. Hope you all understood. So malware is a type of program which will have, or which people are trying to combine that malicious code with the genuine applications. Whatever freely you are getting, like what I can say, any type of software freely if you are getting, like MS Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Okay, without paying any single rupees, and if you are enjoying with the complete privileges of your product, then you assumes that there will be a malicious code. So as a end user, you never comes to know that. Okay, only the hackers, those who have released that particular version, or they have combined the malicious code with your applications, genuine applications. Most of the all areas of users, the people who are working for Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and any piece of software, okay, freely if you are getting without paying any amount, then you imagine there will be a malicious code. The moment if you connected towards internet, then those who have designed, those who have combined the malicious code with your applications, they can access unauthorized operations without knowledge of yourself. Okay, without knowing yourself. So you doesn't comes to know that. Okay, so just like you are working with internet, but from the back door, people can access, they can view your files, they can view your whatever system resources you have, and they will try to take the advantages, and sometimes it takes the control of your PC. So because which has a malicious code. So once it is integrated with malicious code with your applications, then which is going to perform unauthorized operations. This is called as malicious software, okay, or malware. And we have different types of malware. So number one, Trojan. You might have heard about this Trojan. Number two, virus. Number three, worms. Number four, rootkits. Okay. Number five, we have a spyware. Number six, we have a ransomware. I think yesterday I've shown you one advertisement notification given by the Microsoft product, ransomware. Then next you have adware. Next you have a last one, backdoor. These are the different types of malware you have. Clear? Just it is an introduction part of your malware and types of malware and what is going to perform using your malicious code with your applications, and which is allow us to take the advantages or unauthorized operations. Okay, so if you want to hack any product or any system, then you must know about, or if you are well versed, uh, when you have a complete knowledge about this malware designs, then you can hack any type of system. So there will be a next level of advanced course like malware development, okay, malware analysis. Okay, once if you certified after your certifications like uh, ethical hacking, then you can have a lot of job opportunities, and also you can try to hack any type of machines by sending the viruses to their PC, okay, and to take the control of your, to take the advantages and to perform unauthorized operations. Okay, but we are not going to teach you that how to design malwares and all. So we will teach you what is the effect of viruses. Okay, like how to create a piece of like a 10 to 15 lines of code, then how to save them and how to execute them, and then what is the effect you will be uh, getting for your PC, then what would be the main reasons, okay, then how do you prevent those things. So that and all we will see in the next upcoming classes. Is it clear? Any doubts? So regarding for tomorrow class, we'll update you in the WhatsApp group. I'll talk to with our team. Then I don't know they have updated or not. If they updated, and if I get any instructions from them, then please attend tomorrow's class, or else directly will uh, meet up in the next Monday's class. Okay, and try to install Windows 10, take a snapshot of that area, and one more thing is to download nessus tool if possible, whatever I've shown you now. Okay, then try to crack it. Okay, and let me know the status of this class. So anyhow, still you have 12 to 15 hours of time you have. Okay, so still one day, then see next upcoming next updates. Okay, so before leaving this room, just you ask me if you have any doubts. Jesha, Nakshatra, Yukta, Netra, Kartika, Seda, Rida, Arati, Priyanka. Hope you all understood. So then meet you in the next class. So see you guys.